This is Whistle, America's #1 pet tracker. If your dog wanders off, Whistle tracks its location anywhere in the U.S. and automatically sends alerts to your phone until you're reunited. And don't worry if you're too far away to reach your dog. Whistle also sends alerts to your family, friends, and dog walkers too. Unlike a microchip that requires someone to first find your dog and then bring him to a shelter or vet, Whistle locates your dog automatically. With Whistle, you'll know where your dog is within minutes of him wandering off. And Whistle tracks more than location. Whistle also tells you if your dog is getting the daily activity he needs to stay happy and healthy. Get Whistle GPS Pet Tracker today, because best friends look out for each other.
I've always loved Simon, but haven't always loved his litter box. Then I got the PetSafe scoop-free self-cleaning litter box, and we're both much happier. About once a month, all I have to do is remove the litter tray, throw it away, and replace with a new one. The crystal litter controls the odor 5 times better than the old clumping litter, with no more dusty mess.
The scoop-free self-cleaning litter box from PetSafe. Less mess and more best moments with your cat. PetSafe. Protect, teach, love. Find us at your local pet retailer.
No, 무슨 뜻이야? Chacha. Hi. Hello.
Good boy! Good boy!
I have struggled to figure out an easy, efficient way to keep our dog Schmoopy comfy and cool around the house. When I found the K&H Pet Cot, my quest came to an end. It is an easy-to-assemble, elevated pet bed that allows air to circulate all the way around Schmoopy to keep him cool. It works great both inside and outside of the house, and best of all, assembles in a matter of seconds without any tools. The K&H Pet Cot is both lightweight and extremely durable. In fact, both sizes can handle over 150 pounds. The water-resistant fabric makes it ideal outdoors, and the breathable no-snag mesh in the center will keep your pet comfy, dry, and cool. We have one indoors and another one outdoors for Schmoopy. The best part is that it disassembles and rolls up in seconds to take along with us to the park and for camping trips. The Pet Cot by K&H. Schmoopy tested, Schmoopy approved.